on sunny side of. Now, the Agro Investment Corporation, AIC, an agency of the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, is now moving apace to lease lands to persons who are interested in investing in agriculture, and it's through its Agricultural Landowner Match Program. Now, through this program, the AIC intends to target landowners who are interested in, who are in possession, rather, of 100 acres of land, who are interested in leasing, tasked with the responsibility of stimulating, facilitating, and developing the agricultural sector. The AIC is setting its sights on new ventures, and we've got to tell us more. Chief Executive Officer of Agro Investment Corporation, Dr. Al Powell. Hello, Dr. Powell. Welcome to Agro Buzz. How you do? So we got Dr. Powell on the line. Dr. Powell, welcome to Agro Buzz. We got lots of questions, and we are going to jump.
Be on your program, and thank you for having me.
It's great to have you. So we know that you are, of course, head of the AIC, Agro Investment Corporation. What does the AIC do, really?
Well, Agro Invest Corporation is an agricultural investment facilitation, advisory and management company. We're interested in attracting investment locally and from overseas in agriculture in Jamaica.
So it's a lot of marketing that happens.
A lot of marketing takes place because we have to market the company in Canada, the UK, Jamaica, just about anybody who is interested in agriculture. And just to say that because we're not strong in sugarcane cultivation, as we were in the past, we do have a lot of lands around that we want to put back into agriculture.
Okay, and these lands now have led to this Agricultural Landowner Match Program. Give us an overview of the program.
Well, the Agricultural Investment Land Program is something we worked on very, very seriously at AgroInvest. And it's a matter of providing land matching and business support services to new investors, new farmers looking for land to farm, as well as landowners interested in finding someone to farm their land. So let's say you have 100 acres of land and it's there idle. You can call us and we'll find somebody to match that 100 acres depending on if water is available, soil type, a lot of other things taken into consideration.
All right. Now, this program, where is it in its life cycle?
Well, it was born about a couple weeks ago, maybe I would say the first part of May. So we've really begun accepting applications about the 12th of May. So it's pretty young, but we hope to move it into growth and maturity and avoid any decline.
And how many people are you trying to get under this program?
Well, we don't have a specific number because right now, because it's a matter of trying to feel how many islands all around. So, but we can accommodate as much land as there that exists with as much investors that are interested.
All right. Now, how do persons apply under the program?
Okay. Well, you have two sets of applications, of course. One coming from the landowner to say, I have land and I want you to lease it out or rent it out for me. And the other side where somebody is saying, I want 600 acres of land because I want to set up a farm, I want to do this and so on. But they can apply at our local address here, 188 Spanish Town Road, at Kingston 11, or they can pick up their application form at any RADA office, or they can download it from our website, www.agroinvest.gov.jm, and then email it to us at info@agroinvest.gov.jm.
When I lease that land, what can I use it for?
Okay, while our preference, and my personal preference, well, the organization preference too, is really crop agriculture. But we can accommodate animals as well, and particularly bee farming. So because we're pushing pushing, making sure we have good food security in the crop side. And of course the animal, but the crop is what is trending right now.
And of course, I'm glad you mentioned bee farming because today is World Bee Day. So
Yes. I don't want to leave that on at all.
So we have a tendency sometimes to just focus on projects as they are, the different details and how we get things done. But we want you to paint the big picture for us. How is this project going to redound or impact the agricultural sector and the economy in a time like this?
Well, the impact is astronomical, or can be. Job creation, reduce rural-urban drift. It's a source of livelihood for those people who don't have anything to do. Reduce poverty, create further business opportunities, and overall create employment opportunities. It's also a source of raw materials for other businesses around. And it contributes to national economic development by providing food and raw materials to non-agricultural sector of the economy. It helps to add to the GDP. GDP, agriculture contribution to GDP was 7.3 2 years ago. I don't have the exact number for this year. But it employs, I think, almost 16+% of the population in Jamaica. So it contributes to the economy. And when those persons are working, doing agriculture, their buying power becomes greater. The government collects more GCT. They are happier. Their family is better off. And we can export more.
That's fantastic. And we love that you were able to share that information with us today. All the best, Dr. Powell. Our pleasure.
My pleasure as well.
There you have it, Chief Executive Officer of AgroInvest Corporation, Dr. Al Powell, sharing with us the new initiative out of AgroInvest to benefit persons interested in land for various uses. And did you know, AgroInvestment Corporation celebrated its 11th anniversary in April this year. AIC is a merger of the Agricultural Marketing Corporation, the Agricultural Development Corporation, and the Agricultural Support Services Project. One of the areas of focus for the corporation is agro parks. Let's continue to support our farmers by eating what they grow as they grow what we eat. For information on what's happening in the agricultural and agro-industry sector, check our website at the ministry's mycaf.gov.jm. Follow them on Instagram, Twitter. Check them out on Facebook. And, of course, for more information, you are joining us next week right here for another Agro Buzz.